Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps location in Canva. Cool. Okay, so as you can see, we are in Canva and we've got our Google Maps location here in our document. So I'm just going to show you from the beginning how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to delete this and we are going to come back to the home. Okay, perfect. So we've got our document and as you can see, it says find us. So this is where we are wanting to put our map in. So what we're going to do is going to come across to apps and we're going to search for Google Maps. Amazing. Okay, perfect. So when that's come up, we're just going to give that a click. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drag over this top template first. So you can choose different ones if you want to, but I'm going to go with this first one here. Just drag it and drop it in. And by default, it's the Colosseum in Rome. So what we want to do is we want to now add our location. So we're going to go to Google Maps, open up a new window. And let's say that this is our location. So what we're going to do is right click on it and then we're going to say share this location. So as you can see, that has brought up a link to share. So what you're going to do is copy the link and then we're going to head back to our Canva design. We're going to press on this pencil button here that says edit link. We're going to remove the link that was in there and then paste in our link and then press done. Give that a minute or two. And as you can see, that has now uploaded and updated to our location and where we were. So what you can do is you can export the document as is, but if you're wanting it to be interactive, then what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand side and press share. And then you're going to want to press public view link. So this is making it in order to be interactive with the public. So what you want to do is copy that link and then we're going to open up a new window, paste that link in, and we're just going to head, once that's loaded, we're going to head right to the last page so that you can see. And there you go, you can see our map there and you can see that it's interactive for people to use, which is really, really cool. If you're wanting to not have the interactive element, then what you can do is you can just export it as is. So you can come up to the right hand side, press share, press download, and then choose whichever file type you want. So PDF, or you can do PNG or PDF print, whatever's up to you. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.